Hello friend, welcome to my YouTube channel 5 Minute Pediatric. In the previous video of development, we have learned about fine motor development with mnemonics. In this video, we will learn about gross motor development with mnemonics. Before going to this, we must know the laws of development. Laws of development are as follows. As development is a continuous process and the direction of development is cephalocaudal direction and proximal to distal. It is a continuous process. Before and during which the child acquired functional maturation in the nervous system. The sequence of attainment of milestone is almost same in all the children, and during development there is loss of certain primitive reflex before the child acquired voluntary reflexes, like the child lost the asymmetrical tonic neck reflex ATNR and acquired the rolling over back. Similarly, the child lost palmar grasp reflex and acquired voluntary skill to grasp. So during course of development, disorganized mass activity is gradually replaced by a specific and willful action. So starting the gross motor development at 1 month of age. So during first month of life, the asymmetrical tonic neck reflex is elicited by turning head of the child to one side. Suppose this is the child, if the head is turned to the left side, so this left arm is extended, similarly left leg is extended and opposite side get flexed. This is the asymmetrical tonic neck reflex. There is a complete head lag. So if this is complete head lag, if it is a normal plane, we will see that head is completely head lag is there, and the round and the back is completely rounded, and slowly this will come at the level and the child able to hold the head, and this also become straight. So development is a continuous process. Similarly, at the 2 month there is a less head lag, the back is less rounded, and there is intermittent asymmetrical tonic neck reflex. At 3 months of age there is no ATNR. Similarly, we have no palmar reflex at the 3 month, and only there is slight head lag. At 5 month head control is complete, and this back also become straight, and the child able to bear most of the weight. At 6 months of age, the child rolls prone to supine. So it is easy to remember. P comes as if you forget when the child prone to supine or supine to prone. So P comes first, though the child start prone first, then prone to supine, then supine to prone. At 6 months, the child sits with support and bears most of the weight on leg. At the 7 month, just opposite, supine to prone, and sits without support for a few minutes. At 8 month, the child sits without support, and the child also start creeping. There is also called commando crawling. We must understand what is creeping, what is crawling. Creeping means just moving on a same plane. There is no lift off of abdomen. And crawling is moving on hand and knee and abdomen is lifted. And crawling is achieved at 9 months of age. 10 to 11 months, the child pivoted and cruises around. At 1 year of age, the child stands independently and can move 2 to 3 steps. At 15 months of age, the child creeps up a stair and gets into a standing position without support. At 18 months, the child walks up a stair if one holds his hand, and the child creeps down a stair. And 18 months, the child can run sniffly also. At 24 months of life, the child runs well, and the child can walk, not creep, walk up and down a stair. This is child can walk up a stair and down a stair with 2 feet on each steps. At 30 months of life, the child can jump on both feet. 3 years of age, 3 seconds. The child can stand on 1 feet for 3 seconds. The child can tricycle, ride tricycle. There is a synchronized gait, and the child can walk up a stair with alternating feet. At 4 years of age, the child can stand on 1 feet for 4 to 8 seconds, and the child can walk down a stair with alternating feet. And the child also hops. Hops looks like H looks like 4, so hopping at 4 years of age. And at 5 years of age, the child start skipping on both feet. 5 looks like S, so you can remember S skipping and for 5 years, and hopping H look like 4, hopping at 4 years. The child can jump backward also. So before commencing this video, I would like to revise mnemonics of fine motor. Locks STD we can also revise 2, 3, 4, again 4, 5, 6. The child can draw line 2 years of age, circle at 3 years of age, cross at 4 years of age, square at 4 years of age, triangle at 5 years of age, diamond at the 6 years of age. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, kindly give comment and opinion regarding this. I will try to solve your queries. Thank you for watching my channel.